आइए दोस्तों करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6. So question number 4 is Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. So first we'll consider the present age of Kishore be X and what will be the present age of Vivek, because Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore, that is X plus 5. And the sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages. So multiplicative inverse of Kishore will be 1 by X and multiplicative inverse of Vivek be 1 upon X plus 5, and this is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So in this way you are going to frame the equation and then you will form a quadratic equation and you will get the solution. Okay. So we are going to suppose the Kishore present age be X years and Vivek present age be X plus 5 years. Start the solution. Suppose Kishore present age be X years. Okay. Suppose किशोर प्रेजेंट एज भी X years. भाई हम किशोर की प्रेजेंट एज X years क्यों ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि विवेक जो है वो किशोर से 5 years बड़ा है. ठीक है ना? विवेक किससे बड़ा है? किशोर से 5 years ज्यादा है उसकी एज. तो अगर किशोर को हम x लेंगे तो विवेक की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 5 हो जाएगी. तो जब आप सपोज करेंगे तो आप किशोर की एज को x कंसीडर करेंगे और विवेक की जो एज हो जाएगी वो x plus 5 हो जाएगी. ठीक है? कौन किससे बड़ा है? विवेक इज 5 years older than किशोर. तो किशोर को आप सपोज करेंगे x. ओके. सो सपोज किशोर प्रेजेंट एज भी x years and Vivek's और किशोर प्रेजेंट एज भी X years and Vivek's present age be X plus 5 years. ओके. क्योंकि विवेक की एज जो है वो किशोर की एज से 5 years ज्यादा है. The sum of multiplicative inverse. Sum of multiplicative. So multiplicative inverse of Kishore's age be what? 1 by X and Vivek is be 1 upon X plus 5. So right here multiplicative inverse of Kishore age be 1 by X and multiplicative inverse of Vivek's age be 1 upon X plus 5. Okay. So multiplicative inverse of Kishore's age be what? 1 upon X and multiplicative inverse of Vivek's age be 1 upon X plus 5. Now according to the question, what is given? Sum. So I will write here according to the question. According to the question. Sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1 by 6. It means that 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. So I will write here 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay. Now you will cross multiply. So this will be X plus 5 plus X multiplied by 1 will be X, and here we will multiply X with X plus 5. So X multiplied by X plus 5 and this is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore you will get, this will be 2x, x plus 1x, x plus x, this will be 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 whole divided by x multiplied by x, x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x, and this is equal to 1 by 6. Now cross multiply. So when you multiply this by 1, so you will get x square plus 5x, and when you will multiply 2x plus 5 by 6, so you will get 6 2s are 12x plus 6 5s are 30. And now you will simplify. So x square plus 5x, this 12x becomes minus 12x, this 30 becomes minus 30, and this is equal to 0. You know, when you will transfer the values from right to left or left to right, sign will change. Now you will get x square, this will be plus 5x minus 12x minus 7x minus 30 minus 7x minus 30, and this is equal to 0. Now we'll find the factor. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is 30. So multiplication is 30. So you have to select any two number whose multiplication is 30 and subtraction. See the sign. Subtraction is 7. 7 is minus. So multiplication is 30 and subtraction is minus 7. So we'll write 10 3s are 30 and 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. But 7 is minus. So you will write greater number sign will be minus and smaller number sign be plus, therefore you will get minus. Means you write here minus 10x plus 3x, which will give you minus 7x. Okay. So now you will write here, therefore x square, you will write minus 7x can be written as minus 10x plus 3x. Minus 10x plus 3x and minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we will take the common. From the first pair, we will take x as a common, so you will get x minus 10. And from the second pair, 3 is the common, so you will get x minus 3 10s are 30, and this is equal to 0. So either you will write this x minus 10 as a common, and the next bracket you will get x plus 3. This is equal to 0. Now you know, if the product of two brackets are 0, so either you will write x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore what you will get x is equal to plus 10 or x is equal to minus 3. Now again here you are having two solutions, that is x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 3. And what is x? X is the Kishore's present age. So you are not going to consider the value of x is equal to minus 3 because age cannot be negative, and we are not going to accept x is equal to minus 3. So our answer is, the value of x is 10, and you will write the answer. What you have to write? Find their ages. So answer will be what? You will write the answer. Present age of Kishore is x-axis 10 years, and present age of Vivek is, that is x plus 5. So x plus 5, and this is equal to what is x? 10 plus 5, which is equal to 50 years. Okay. So finally we write the answer that the present age of Kishore is 10 years and the present age of Vivek is x plus 5 years, that is 10 plus 5, 15 years. Okay students. So इस प्रकार से करना था आपको फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6.